Okay, hello everybody. So today we're gonna play Minecraft but with cheats. I'm gonna try and make a score. I will teach you some cheats. And don't worry, they won't be that hard. Okay. So, allow commands and then I know so much. I'm actually kind of a hacker with cheats on. Okay, just give me 1 second. Oh, this is the best seed what you can play on Minecraft. It's a very good seed. This seed is 8003438. No, 8 and 8. 4 3. 4 3. Dang. And there we go. Yeah, just give this one moment. But yeah. Stop. Okay, I actually have the big monitor. I want you to subscribe, please. I'm gonna be famous. Today. Let's do the normal spell. I'm trying to make a YouTube video. This is my first video I ever posted. I need to work on learning English. I'm mostly Afrikaans, but I'm not sure what to say Afrikaans. Hello means hello. I know Afrikaans, but I'm struggling. I'm doing very good English, my subject, but yeah, I want to become famous, get money. Well, I know I'm too young. I just want to be rich. That's what I'll be. It's just, I wanna be a YouTuber. If somebody tries to destroy my ability by doing what I want, I'm just saying, they're cooked. Yeah, there we go. So I played this horror mod called The Man from the Fog. I wanna play that mod tomorrow. I talk too much. Isn't that what YouTubers supposed to do? I wonder. I'm just gonna give you thing that I can do tomorrow. So tomorrow I have a surprise. Let's just say I'm playing a horror mod, but I got a special sound effect. And I'm not gonna tell you, but I'm gonna tell you the horror mod. I'm gonna play the Man from the Fog. Yeah, I have cheats enabled, I forgot. Slash attribute T Dante. I wait. Speed, attack speed, movement speed, block break speed, base set. There we go. Okay, so now I can just do this. Cool, huh? Did you know? Did you even know about this attribute command? I'm not allowed to ask for slash give. I'm just gonna beat Minecraft with the attribute commands. Oh, dang. Wait, gang. I am just gonna get this real quick. So, yeah. I talk too much. I know. I never talk that much when this is my first time, don't judge me, okay? Anyway, if you think I'm gonna be a famous YouTuber one day, write down the comment 67. But I just wonder why, you know those meme, but it call meme. You mine so much coal and it's endless coal. Yeah, I wonder what your guys' names are. I mean, I'm not gonna have that much subscribers. Oh yeah, slash attribute Tirante attack damage base set. Yeah, I don't wanna test it on this wolf, but I wish I had a bone. Oh well, just gotta keep mining. I really don't wanna. I love dogs. If I see somebody mistreating a dog, I'll make them suffer. I'm playing Minecraft on TL Launcher. So, I think if you play on TL Launcher, I want you to join me. If that's fine with you. But I don't know who I'm talking to, but I'm just talking to myself. Man, I'm not that. Oh. Like, it's my first time. I got this feeling where I'm not used to talking this much, but yeah. Except when I get excited. So please understand why I don't talk that much and don't have so much stuff to say. Isn't it natural? Like, I wish Mr. Beast could watch my video. Damn. I'm silver rich with uh, iron. Do you know what we call in iron in Afrikaans? Staal. We name it staal. Ons noem het staal. Ugh. I want you guys to give me tips how to edit videos and play memes and yeah. I don't want to download stuff really Wi-Fi problems, but yeah. At least a website where I can use a free edit app without downloading it. Like just a website you sign in and then you get your free edits. Oh man, I'm hungry. Wait, slash attribute. Base it 40. Oh no. No, I'm gonna. No. Ah, like I said, I just need to beat the Ender Dragon. Well, nobody said about I'm not allowed to slash summon. Right? Nobody told me to. No. My mom said. Nah, never mind. Anyways, I'm cool. Stop the cap. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and I'll make a part 2 about this, I promise. Tomorrow.